Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXGrow. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXGrow is an award-winning forex broker that was founded in 2008 in Limassol, Cyprus. They offer more than 500 tradable instruments with flexible account types, tight spreads, and premium trading tools. FXGrow is licensed and regulated in 9 jurisdictions globally and is the brand name for a CYSEC regulated entity known as GrowWell Capital. By trading with FXGrow, your account will have negative balance protection, and you will have access to trading central analytics, virtual private server hosting, 24-hour customer support, and personal account managers. We recommend trading with FXGrow if you are new to trading, or if you are interested in automating your trading strategies. But their commission-free accounts and tight spreads make them a great option for any type of trader. FXGrow offers a user-friendly website. You can easily find out more about the instruments, tools, and resources they offer by choosing an option from the menu bar. And if you scroll further down the homepage, you will see a comparison table of all of the different accounts that they offer. At the bottom of the homepage, you will see a list of all their regulations and awards, and some of their exclusive features are highlighted at the very bottom of the page. FXGrow currently offers more than 60 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. They also offer a variety of indices, stocks, and commodities. The FXGrow customer support line is available 24 hours a day, and they can be reached via email, telephone, and live chat. You can also request a callback directly from the website, and there are direct telephone numbers and emails for each department. Accounts that are verified and funded with at least $1,000 are eligible for a 20 to 25% deposit bonus. This bonus can be withdrawn after 1 month and after a certain number of positions have been traded. With FXGrow, accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2010. It comes with a variety of premium quality, built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. MetaTrader 5 can be downloaded at no cost from the official MetaTrader website. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. FXGrow also offers a variety of risk management tools and multi-account manager features. You can also easily follow and copy successful traders using the FXGrow automated trading software. With this broker, you will have access to the latest market news and research data from Trading Central, and daily technical analysis will be provided by FXGrow. This broker offers 3 types of trading accounts, as well as demo and swap free accounts. The standard ECN account requires a minimum deposit of $100, and it is a commission-free account that offers spreads starting from 1.1 pips. We would recommend this account for beginner to intermediate traders. If you are ready to make a bigger deposit and you want lower spreads, then you can open either the ECN-Plus account or the ECN-Elite account. which both offer spreads starting as low as 0.2 pips. An initial deposit of $1,000 must be made in order to open an ECN-Plus account, and this account allows for a maximum leverage of 1 to 100, and it is more suited for professional traders. Alternatively, you can deposit $100,000 to open an ECN-Elite account, which is recommended only for serious investors and corporate clients. All of the 3 accounts are eligible for MetaTrader 5 virtual private server hosting, and these accounts can be used for all types of trading strategies. You can also convert your account to swap-free accounts, and if you are new to trading, then you can practice on a risk-free demo account with virtual funds before depositing any real money. Creating an account with FXGrow may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the FXGrow homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Complete the online application form, and once the form has been completed, you will need to verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified and set up, you will be redirected to the FXGrow client portal. Over on their client portal, you can view wallets, download the MetaTrader 5 platform, refer a friend, view educational materials, and much more. You can also try out any of the 3 account types as a demo account straight from the client portal. Once your account has been activated and approved, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 5, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with FXGrow. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, you can find a variety of helpful guides online to help you get started with the platform. And FXGrow also provides a variety of educational videos. However, you will need to register an account before you have access to them. With regards to educational resources and material, in addition to giving their clients access to Trading Central, FXGrow also provides detailed guides and plenty of educational resources to help you start your trading career. The beginner's guides provided can be used alongside a demo account to learn the basics of trading without any risks. With the educational guides provided, you will learn more about the basics of Forex concepts, order types, portfolio management, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and the different styles of trading. FXGrow has a good reputation, and they have received many awards over the years. Some of their most recent awards include the Best CFDs Provider in 2021, the Most Transparent Broker of 2021, the Best Liquidity Provider of 2021, and many, many more. Overall, FXGrow is one of the most reliable and most regulated Forex brokers in the trading industry. They are trusted by more than 80,000 traders worldwide, and their flexible account types and tight spreads make them a popular option. There are many benefits to trading with FXGrow, and we would recommend them if you are a beginner or if you are interested in automating your trading strategies. But their accounts are suitable for all types of traders. If you are interested, be sure to open your account today to boost your trading career with the FXGrow Deposit Bonus. And that is our overview of FXGrow. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.